This puppy was all alone in the rain waiting for someone to help him. He was abandoned by the previous owner, so he had nowhere to go. Luckily, this family saw him. At first they thought he was waiting for someone or he is lost, but after waiting for some time, no one came for the puppy. When Puppy saw the family, he quickly ran towards them. The family immediately opened the door of their vehicle. Now they were sure that someone has abandoned this puppy, so they decided to take him home. They gave him a nice warm shower. Not only that, they also gave him some warm clothes. After that, they gave him a good massage so that this puppy will feel good. If it were you, would you have rescued this puppy?